Why you snoring so loud? I don't know either. Why you snoring so loud? I don't know either. I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, why you snoring so loud? I don't know either. Shut the hell up. Shut the hell up. You shut up. You shut up. You shut up. You said you didn't snore that loud. Yeah, I know you did, but you said that you didn't. I know you. I know. Yeah, I didn't realize you snored that loud. Okay. Okay. Welcome to YouTube, Terrence. Y'all, I think that might have been a gas bubble.